through page number 339 onwards, there is a series of CM helpline complaint where officially they are writing that हमने कुत्ते को उठाया और जंगल में बंधक बना के छोड़ दिया. तो सर डॉग यदि अपनी टेरिटरी से उठा करके कहीं दूसरी जगह फेंकते हैं तो वो रास्ते भर काटता हुआ आएगा ना, आक्रोशित रहेगा, विचलित रहेगा, भूखा रहेगा, प्यासा रहेगा. इसका सॉल्यूशन जो था, कोई भी नहीं चाहता है कि डॉग काटे. सॉल्यूशन यदि डॉग रूल नोटिफिकेशन 2023 को क्लियरली फॉलो करा जाता है तो डॉग बाइट काबू होगी. Sir, in Supreme Court, the Animal Welfare Board of India's nodal officer, Mrs. Manisha T. Kaira, was present, and her quote-unquote sentence was that if 100% of the dog rule notification 2023 is implemented to the T, then 90% of the problem related to dogs can be eliminated. But I can go walk you through every...
Sir, Aaron, yeah.
Honorable Judge Shri Sanjay Karol ji has said, quote unquote, in the Supreme Court in this hearing of 5988 that we have experimented the subject of shelters and we failed because they are, if you will remove them, new will come from Mao, from Devas, from Pitampur, new will come because it is like a train ka dabba. S2 खाली होता है तो S7 वाले आके बैठते हैं. So we have to जो जहां बैठा है उसको वहीं नसबंदी करके रोकना पड़े. That is the only solution.
Yeah, sterilize ही करिए.
Not instead of 4 weeks, allow कर देंगे.
No, so the clear mention of census. Why we need to count the dogs? Right now, there are 2 sterilization centers, 3 vans, and few catchers. If I ask in this courtroom if anybody knows the dog sterilization phone number, nobody knows. Nobody even knows what is sterilization. How do you figure out which dog is sterilized, which is not sterilized? Where to call? If you go through the MP High Court.
We are just simply asking you.
Counting, sir. Counting. Number one thing is counting. If we don't count the number of dogs in our city,
this will be endless.
Please, Mr. Mashwari, please
defend
the decorum.
Thank you. So we decide as how many sterilization centers are needed to control the dog population. कुत्ता पैदा होगा तभी तो काटेगा ना. 2019 के आपके order में लिखा था public awareness कीजिए, sterilization की. I've highlighted it. They have not done any awareness. The people who are working on the subject matter, few little community so-called dog lovers, night and day they are struggling, rescuing. Society is on them that आपका कुत्ता काटा. कुत्ता तो पूरे समाज का है, जिसको यदि 2 भाग में डिवाइड कर चुके गए हैं कि ये डॉग लवर है, ये न्यू आम नागरिक है. आम नागरिक का भी तो कुत्ता है ना. सो जब तक हम पब्लिक को ये नहीं सिखाएंगे कि ये काम सबका है, कोई खाना खिलाओ, कोई पानी पिलाओ, कोई नसबंदी कराओ, कोई वैक्सीनेशन कराओ, कोई घर में भारतीय कुत्ता पालो, विदेशी कुत्ता, इनका आरटीआई लगाकर हमने पूछा, इन्होंने घर में पल रहे डॉग का आरटीआई का डेटा आया है, 100 कुत्ते रजिस्टर करे हैं. क्या हमारे शहर में सिर्फ 100 विदेशी कुत्ते हैं या पालतू कुत्ते हैं?
You both are.
Sir, we have different prayers, different reliefs, and this what he is saying is actually not a solution at all, because we cannot put the dogs into shelter as per the law. We have to figure out a solution where we can figure out how to deal with dog bite. Since we cannot kill them, we cannot put them into shelter. The only way possible.
This petition so far filed by you.
Yes, sir.
Is by a dog lover.
Yes.
No, sir, I am not a dog lover. I am a country lover. I don't want my fellow citizens to be bitten by dogs.
You are concerned with the citizen.
Yes, sir.
Realize the figure.
So that I'm bringing you forward the facts, sir. I have done all the work.
It is more precious than
I am bringing you, sir, all the facts in compiled with all the RTIs being filed and how the respondents are not.